everyone, hi yogis, welcome back to my channel Hitachi Aji. For daily yoga pose, today let's practice child pose variation in Bird of Paradise. Let's get started with me. Kneeling pose, open your knees shoulder width apart. You can tuck your toes to keep you balanced. Hands forward and place your chin on the mat. Inhale and exhale, place left side of your face on the mat like this. Now your face is looking to the right. Place right hand next to your rib cage and step right foot forward. Place your thighs on top your tricep. Very good. And gently bring right hand to your back. And also left hand to your back. Grab your right wrist with your left hand. Very nice. If you cannot grab your wrist, you can just grab your fingers. Join your fingers. Now, slowly move your foot and lift your right foot up. Yes. Press your left shoulder on the mat to keep you balanced. Now, if you feel okay here, you can gently flat your left foot. Very good. Very nice. Hold here for comfortable breath. 3, 2, and 1. Release the pose. Place right foot to the floor. Release your hand. Bring right leg back to child pose. And release. Sit on your heels. Inhale. And exhale. Yeah, then you can do on the left side. If you do yoga pose with variation or modification, is challenge for you to gain your flexibility, balance, and strength. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for practicing with me. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video.